Discussions continue today over OPPD's plans for its North Omaha station. The power company is slated to convert the plant from coal to natural gas. Those who live in the North Omaha community got a chance to ask questions and voice their concerns to the power company. 3 News Now reporter Ron Johnson was there for the meeting.
Sunday, OPPD board member Eric Williams held a town hall discussion with North Omahans as the board will soon decide what will happen to the North Omaha station.
The current plan is to convert burners 4 and 5 from coal to gas and decommission burners 1, 2, and 3. That would reduce the total power output or the capacity from North Omaha station.
That plan calls for the transition to happen by the end of next year, but the board is recommending extending that deadline another 3 years to avoid the risk of service interruptions. Williams says they're facing a difficult choice.
There are balances between environmental concerns, impacts on public health, and the costs and reliability for our customer owners.
Some North Omaha residents felt the same way as the board over what should happen with the plant, while others disagreed.
It's two bad choices, and I think the least bad one is to extend the life of the plants from what I've heard so far.
I'm interested in the environment. I think it's a good idea that they're not putting pollution in the air with the carbon dioxide and the mercury and the sulfur and the other stuff.
One North Omahan in particular finds himself at the center of the issue. He says either decision will impact his father or his son.
If OPPD cut out the electricity, his grandfather might have health issues because he can't breathe. But if OPPD continue to have this electricity, then my child might get sick, might have asthma, because of the coal that is being burned by OPPD.
He, along with everyone at the meeting, say no matter what the decision, they're glad to have this opportunity to be heard.
The value of public power to people in our community is significant, and the public engagement and transparency is a huge part of why public power is so good for our community.
In North Omaha, Ron Johnson, 3 News Now.
OPPD will vote to approve or reject the recommendation to delay the switch to natural gas in mid-August.